guys, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you. Ooh, my shirt matches this week's wiggle. I'm coming at you with this week's new releases, so let's go ahead and get started. Ugh, I'm so excited. I'm excited every week for new releases and just like all the things. So let's go ahead and get into it. So let me go ahead and show you guys this week's wiggle first. The wiggle comes out Wednesday at noon Eastern along with the rest of these items. It is on a special for the first 48 hours for a special price, and this is a new like format style design, I guess, and this is stars. So this has stars in the 15mm strips. This is a gorgeous green. It's like a sparkly green. Under studio lights it picks up mostly green, but if you're kind of not in studio lights, I'm gonna make sure to put this one on Instagram. I'm gonna try and start putting them all on Instagram in different lights so you guys can see like close up. But outside of like the studio lights and kind of the, you know, fluorescent light, which I feel like most people have, it's like a green that has like a little bit of like a goldish, like yellow kind of tint to it. But like I said, I'll show that on Instagram a little bit better. Then you have the icon sheet, which is the same, the script sheet, which is the same. You do have the icon sheet, which is the same. You can see that foil real perfectly there. I love it so much. Food doodles are the same. The deco is all stars. And then you do have 6 of these sheets here. So you have the star headers, the half cut headers, and then the 2 full box overlays. And again, you get 6 of them with the wiggle. I love this screen. It's going to go great with Lucky if you pick that up. Is that what we call it? Lucky? St. Patrick's Day? The St. Patrick's Day kit that was like really modern. I think this is going to be really pretty with, but obviously with a lot of other kits as well, just because green, like, it's really pretty. So, and we don't do a ton of greens. I feel like we do so many pinks and green is neglected, so really excited about that. Let's go into the other items that are foil that are coming out this week. We have some more full box overlays. These ones are kind of like celebrate inspired. This one says time to drink champagne and blow bubbles. Life is a party, dress like it. Once you pop, the fun don't stop, and cue the confetti. So those come in all 4 foils. And then I do have some mini deco sheets this week. We do have the fireworks, and then we have mini fireworks. These are great for sprucing up celebratory spreads, whether it's 4th of July, birthdays, Disney, magical spreads, things like that. And they're just so pretty, and I love the sizes of these. They're going to be great for popping on some full boxes, or in the like top area if you like to do deco, you want to put them over some bottom washi, use them as icons for if you go see a fireworks, in all 4 foils. So that is the fireworks and the mini fireworks. Then we also have the next little the next little part of our labels for kits. So how I organize my kits, if you guys didn't know, I like to put them in a Avery binder. I have an Amazon little like storefront type thing where I just have like all of my favorites listed, and I do have like the binder that I like, and then also these sleeves, and I like putting all of the kits I'm using in order. So these little labels down here, obviously these are the old format because these came out a really long time ago. I like putting those down there to organize my kits, and I always keep, you know, the ones that I haven't used yet over in this little pocket. And then as I use a little sleeve, which I can actually take this out because I'm a pre-plan next week, so I'm excited. Well, it's actually kind of like this week. As you can see, it's like kind of double layered there, so I just go ahead and peel them off. You can use undo, but honestly, like, I don't normally have any issues. I'll show you what I do. So you peel this off. This one's a double layer. Worst example ever. I'll show you guys on the next one. But even if this was like the end game of it, which I feel like I've never had one rip that bad. Okay, that was the end game. Then I just go ahead and take my next one. I just place it on top. You can't tell the difference. Pull out my kit for this week, and then I go ahead and, oh, there's some like sneaky sneaks back there, so I can't show you like all of my customs that I plan on using. And then I just put this at the end. But as you can see, like, I just laid it over top of the other one. Even though it looked like crazy, you can see it still works. So that is how I use these. Let me see if I can pull this one up easier. So see, like, that's how they normally come up, but that one was a little bit strange. So that is our weekly kit labels. So this one goes all the way from November 9th, so that's of 2020, all the way to the March monthly of 2021. I'm trying to get a little bit ahead of these. I feel like last year I wasn't like behind, but I wasn't like as ahead enough as I think you guys would have liked me to have been. So I'm trying to like get more ahead so that you guys can plan your kits out farther. You can see what's going on in your schedule. So I think that one will be 2021 because it does include 2021, not to be confused with 2019 to 2020. I know. It's a complicated thing. Let's go into this week's kits. I am so excited. They're so pretty. So this one here is called Andrea, and this is custom art. Super excited about this. The Emily kit was also custom art. The one that was like Taco Bell, Emily, Galaxy, and that one went over so well, guys. So I was really excited to release this one, which is kind of based on me, but I feel like kind of go with like a lot of people. It's like pink. Obviously this girl's pregnant. The like main girl, I have a bunch of different like planner girl kits coming out, and they all have like a aesthetic. Like Emily's was like Galaxy and like kind of just like little things about her and like sloths and stuff, and mine's very like just pink and pretty. And then I have some other ones that are like, they have like an overall theme, but then they have like some specific items that kind of go with the person. So yeah, I just think it's really fun and just something different to do. So this is the Andrea kit. I'm just in love with it. I'm actually going to be using it for this week's Plan With Me, so it'll be coming out, I believe, on Wednesday then. Just kind of like a cute, homey pink and gold, just really like basic kit, I feel like. Super cute, and you guys, when I showed this on Instagram, we're going crazy over it, which makes me so excited. But like I said, we do have some more Planner Girl kits coming out in the future, and I think y'all is as excited as I am, which is super exciting. So that is the Andrea Ultimate Kit. If you guys can kind of see in here, you have like a little Disney picture, a little candle, some slides, and a Always Tired shirt, a little Aura Estelle planner, a passport. You have just like a little Instagram of Scribble Prints Co. Instagram, like a purse, an Erin Condren planner. This was made a while ago. A little bow necklace, Post Malone on the iPhone, a little bow clip, and then a little pass holder. Just super cute, and it's gonna look super cute in the spread, guys. So excited. So that is the Andrea Ultimate Kit. Come out with so many kits, guys. My custom ideas, I start to run out of them a little bit. So whenever I was running out, I was like, let's do some Planner Girl inspired kits that are actually inspired by real people. And if you guys want to see any specific planner people or just people in general made into a kit, it's kind of like TV show kits, but planner people. So let me know in the comments down below, or let me know like if you had a kit, what would be in your kit, because that would be interesting as well. So that is the mini kit, and then there is some options for add-ons. So you do have the 15mm strip, you have the glitter headers if you want to add that on, you have the label sampler if you want to add that on, and then you just have like a mom and a little boy. Like the Emily one had like just the different girls in sloth onesies, not necessarily Emily, but just kind of like an alternative, just because, you know, if you didn't want to use that box, which is kind of specific. There's that, and all of the Planner Girl kits or like people kits that I'm going to do will have an alternative box that's not necessarily like the person themselves. So there is that. That is our only custom art for this week, but let's go ahead and get into the other kit. So we do have this kit here called Blossom, which is really pretty. I'm thinking about using this for my mother-in-law's birthday because she likes cherry blossoms and the whole cherry blossom scent a whole lot. This is a really pretty spring kit, but I feel like it also could have like an August, September kind of vibe to it with all the purples. Love this. Lots of flowers. I love this hand here and the little cloud planner, of course. I love all the flowers. They're really pretty. You guys are going to die over the bottom washi. So you have your deco page. You have your extra full box over here. You have your functional. Love these colors. So beautiful and pastel. The papers are really pretty and abstract as well too. Ombre. And then look at this bottom washi. Y'all, I am here for this bottom washi. So that is the ultimate kit for Blossom. It also does come in a mini kit, like I said. The mini kits last week, oh my goodness, the egg hunt kit, guys, we oversold. It was almost 2 times oversold, which is wild. Wild, wild, wild. Was not expecting that at all, since we already had 2 Easter kits, but you guys loved it. I mentioned that I'm using 2 Easter kits this year because I love it so much, so really excited about that. And this is a really cool kit because I feel like you could use almost any foil color with it. And I think it, like, well, hollow would be like extra pretty, like sparkly hollow. Rose gold would be really pretty with it as well, or you could do like a mixed metal silver and gold, or just silver. Like, honestly, I'm here for this kit because I feel like the possibilities are endless, and I feel like this actually would look pretty. There's this one foil color that I think is gonna, that's going to come out next week that Emily really loves that I actually think will go with this perfectly. It's going to go with a lot of kits perfectly, but I feel like this one in particular, it's going to go with perfectly. So there is a Blossom. And then last but not least, we do have Pirates, which also comes in a mini kit. So this is Pirates, which is, this artist is doing kind of like, Disney has like a monthly merchandise theme where they do like a popcorn bucket, a backpack, ears, a mini doll, like a plushie, all in like a specific theme. So last month's theme was, well, January's theme was Space Mountain, so that was Galaxy Magic. I did the alternative colorway of that one, not the colorway that the actual merch was. And then this was Pirates, which I did the original colorway, which is like kind of pirate-y, dark browns, golds, etc. And I love this kit. I just love this colorway. I think it's so different. And I kind of want to use this in October. October is always a hard month for me because I have Bennett's birthday and then also Halloween. But I feel like this, I don't want to use necessarily, I would almost use it for Bennett's half birthday, but Bennett's half birthday is like April, and April is like chock full for me. So I'm like trying to figure out when I want to use it, but like Bennett's favorite ride at Disney is Pirates. Like after we go on it, he goes again, more, and like freaks out. And he like loves it. He pays attention. He sits there like really quietly and like just watches everything and is so happy. But he also really liked the Frozen ride too. Like really liked it. But yeah, so I really want to use this kit. I'm just trying to figure out when. But I guess I could use it anytime because like Bubba, I love him. So yeah, it's just such a pretty kit. There are some exclusive to SPC pieces in here, which is really cool. So you have the little pass holder, which is actually from the Andrea kit. I have used that in Galaxy Magic as well and recolored it. There is also the eye patch, the little pirate booty, the girl here, and then the sword is all exclusive art to Scribble Prints Co., which is super cool. But I really just love this kit. I think it's so pretty, and I really love the colorway. It's definitely really different. I feel like with either gold or like a sparkly gold, this would be really pretty. The sparkly I feel like would really just like bring out the gold bits and like just accentuate it because I feel like it's a very like neutral palette, so sparkly would be really fun. You have another full box here with like the castle and the girl. You have, it's just such a pretty like neutrals kit that I think as a spread is going to look really fire. So I'm gonna have to do some really hard thinking on like when I'm gonna use this, but it's for sure going in my dang planner. Like I said, it also does come in a mini kit. We do, like I said, unlimited stock on mini kits for the first 48 hours. So that'd be Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern. This is the bottom washi add-on. How fun is that? I love animal print, like a lot. Animal print, just like any kind of like specific patterns. I feel like flannel, plaid, animal print, like I just love prints. You have your glitter header add-on if you want to do that. There is like that champagne-y kind of sparkly gold throughout, the faux sparkle. And then you have the add-on girls. So I asked the artist to do a custom girl for me because I wanted something like if a girl was doing like a Jack Sparrow kind of like Disney bound. I feel like that's kind of where that went. And then you do have the label sampler as well if you want to add that on. So that is everything for this week. I'm so excited. Let me know when I should use this. Let me know when I should use this as my one question. My second question would definitely be, also what foil would you use with that one? And then my third question is going to be if there's somebody that you want to see as like a planner kit that you think would be really fun, or if you had a planner kit, what would be in your dream kit? That would actually be a really cool contest to like run or like giveaway, I guess, is to like have your own kit made after you. That'd be fun. What do you guys think of that? Maybe I'll do that in the future. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.